Rosemary Daly Dentistry for Children is a specialist paediatric dental practice, and it opened in 2018. I opened the practice because I'm very passionate about looking after children. One of the things that I care most about is ensuring that we provide procedural comfort for children. And what I mean by that is creating a sense of ease from the time parents call us at the practice to the time the children come in for their first visit and throughout their course of treatment and until we say goodbye to them. It's really important that they're comfortable and that we make sure that we deliver dentistry as painlessly and as quickly as possible. And that's what we're about. The values that inspire us to do the work we do here at the practice are all surrounding procedural comfort and making sure that children are at ease in the dental chair and that their parents are too. There are a number of things that are important to doing that. Preparedness is huge. So a lot of work goes on in the background, the administrative side of things, our stereo room, making sure that every setup that we need for all of our patients is ready on time so that there's a seamless transition from the time the children come in the door to when their treatment is done and to how they leave and they depart. That's really important. The way we behave and speak to each other, both in terms of interpersonal relationships with our staff members and the way that we relate to the parents come in, we try to do that with a sense of precision and patience, and they're two really important parts of what we do. We try to be punctual all the time. We're so aware that parents are under pressure. They have appointments to make in other places, they've got busy schedules, and we've got children who've got short attention spans sometimes. We've got a very small window sometimes to do things in a really precise way. So punctuality is very important to us. And when we get all of those things going together, we create something very seamless. What makes our practice different to other practices is that we have a patient journey that's really specifically designed to the needs of children. So firstly, I've got training as a specialist in paediatric dentist, and I've worked at consultant level for 15 years now, and that extends through into all of my staff. We do a huge amount of training here to make sure that the staff are really well equipped to deal with all the types of questions that parents have and the needs that children have. The practice is unapologetically about children here. So we have so many little play areas that's ready with toys and all the kind of things that we know that children enjoy playing with and that helps them to relax and unwind. We're very good as well at making sure that we build a strong alliance with parents because we're so aware of how important that alliance is, both in terms of when parents come into the surgery, how that can support a positive treatment experience for children, but also in terms of the type of language that we use for home care so that people understand that we're in their corner. We understand the challenges that parents face, we understand how difficult it can be sometimes, and we're designed to make sure that parents get all the support they need to go through that journey with us.